In today's video, I'm going to teach you several ways to download and export images from a Shopify store. Whether you're aiming to retrieve a few specific images or need to export a larger batch, I'll guide you through both quick methods for smaller tasks and more comprehensive techniques for larger-scale projects. Let's start with the quick methods, particularly useful if you're dealing with just a few images, like banners, logos, or other non-product media. If your images have been uploaded via Shopify's files, there's a straightforward way to access them. You'll begin by navigating to your Shopify admin. From there, make your way to Settings and then click on Files. In some of the newer versions of admin, you might find this under Content before heading to Files. Once you're in the file list, locate the specific image you'd like to download. Click on it to open a preview, and you'll see a Download button. Click that, and it will save the original, uncompressed file directly to your device. This simple method works exceptionally well when you're targeting just a couple of items. If you've got multiple files to download, you can use the filters or the search feature to find them more efficiently, downloading each file individually as needed. On the other hand, if your task is to download all product images, we'll need to take a different route. Head back to your Shopify admin and then to Products and select All Products. From here, you'll click on Export. This action will create a CSV file that includes all of your product details, including the image URLs. Once you have your exported CSV file, you're going to look through to find the column that contains these image URLs. You might find this labeled as Image SRC or something similar. Now, to download these images in bulk, you have a few options. You could use a download manager or a bulk image downloader tool or extension. These tools help automate the process, fetching all the images directly from the URLs. Alternatively, if you're comfortable with using scripts, you could write a simple script to automate the downloads. However, if you prefer doing it manually, you can open a new tab, paste the image URL, and then right-click on the image. Choose Save Image As to download it. You can repeat this process for each image URL you have listed in your CSV. This method is a bit more manual, but can be handy if you're handling downloads on a manageable scale. Both of these approaches, whether quick for small scales or comprehensive for more extensive needs, empower you to manage your Shopify images effectively. Follow these steps, and you'll have all the images you need, right at your fingertips.